we got Project Winterization in effect. It is 37 degrees out right now. Fuck that noise. I gotta replace one of these, glow plug. I've said it before. I don't know if I ever showed it. As far as I can tell, it just sends electricity through this here, goes all the way through here, and then comes back out the engine head. And that's the ground. I believe this is a 12 millimeter. I'll show you what we're gonna do, or the tools we're gonna use to make this easy. This is a 2007 LBZ 2500 HD Classic. It's the Duramax 6.6 liter turbo. Yeah, give me a few minutes to get all ready. I need to get my Carhartts on because it's freaking cold and I'm a little skinny dude. Get some gloves on. Yeah, let me just keep talking with my hand here. So yeah, we'll be back. All right, here's the tools we'll be using. Safety glasses, an air hammer. I have a quick change attachment on there, a 3/4 inch open end wrench. I'm not sure what this thing is called, I forget. I will put it in the description and write it on here. But this end goes into the hammer. This is where the 3/4 inch wrench is used. And this one is for a 1/2 inch dry socket, and that goes on the end there. This end is a 7 millimeter. This is a 12 millimeter. It is this part here. I have been spraying with the PB Blaster. And here's my 12 millimeter impact socket. And just to get a little more on there, I am doing number 6, which is, crap. Right there on the driver's side. You can see that's number 8 right there. And that would be number 6 right there. Driver's side is the even numbers, passenger side is the odd numbers on this truck. So I take the PB Blaster, and that's great. I've been doing this for about a week, every day. Oh, I'm also going to use the jack to jack the truck up, so I have more room from the tire to the top of the wheel well. That way I don't have to take the tire off. I should have enough room. Oh, I also forgot I have a 1/2 inch extension. Got a little short one. I don't know if I'll need more or less, but we'll see. Oh, and I got the air compressor. And here's the end of that. Auto oiler, I need to add more oil to it, but I just put oil straight into the gun. So that should be good. Give me a few minutes to get everything set up and I'll get back to you. All right, with this tripod I'm using, having a hard time finding a good view for you. Maybe I should try on the other side. That is the pressure line, or one of the lines for the Hydro Boost and power steering. So, sorry, but you're not gonna be able to see everything. I have hearing protection on because this is gonna get loud, and I got my safety goggles on. So first step, go in here, you loosen. Is that a different one? Different side? What the frick? So it appears the one that's in there is the 8mm. The one I purchased is a 7mm. We are recording still. Sneak you in here. Oh, you will have to take out the wheel liner. Mine's already out because I was squirting it every day. And I can't show you how to do that with mine because, well, I guess I could. Let's see if we can get this. Come on, little buddy. There's these clips going all the way up and down. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's about 8 of them from what I can see. I'm not going to tell you where they all are or how to get to them. And also, now it's all up in the way. Because I'm not for sure, because obviously I don't have that on here. Alright, you get that nut off. Don't mind me. Just moving where that plug is plugged in because it's got a breather tube attached to it and I want it as high as I can. Alright, so you undo the nut. There's a little tiny wire on it. And then you just remove the little wire. You get your socket on there. 12mm fits perfectly nice. Got the little end on there. And while you're doing the hammer effect, you just come on, get on there. Get the wrench and you go back and forth a little bit, back and forth, until it breaks free. Everything I've been told, this is the, well, not told, it's what I researched, is the best method for getting these off. You don't want to use an impact gun because it's just going to break it. It worked. And now I realize I forgot one tool. The 1/2-inch socket wrench. AC being not what I meant. Just air compressor. Now I do not know. Oh, I should have grabbed my anti-seize. I'll do that in a minute. Okay. Here's the old one. New one is a little bit different. This is an NGK, which I think means these have been replaced at least once. And then where the threads are, you can see it's new one is a little bit taller, pretty much the same. And it does look like they put some anti-seize on there. Something, I don't know. But that thing worked a treat. Pretty happy about that. And now I will remove the little nut. This one is a 7mm. This one again is a 12mm. I don't know the torque spec, so I'm just gonna go hand tight. I am using a midget wrench here. I will look it up when I edit the video and either put it in here or have it in the description. I don't know, I'll figure that out later. Still learning how to do my video stuff, but yeah. I'm gonna turn, actually I'll just leave this on for you guys. But let me go find my anti-seize. Alright, this is just some CRC brake and something, I don't remember. I've had it for years now. Almost gone, gotta get some more. And then I just goober the threads up pretty good. That's worked really well for spark plugs. For, what else have I used it for? Oh, all my brake stuff I've done. I put it on wheels where they mate to the rotor. And I feel like it's helped quite a bit. I'll never be able to tell you anything for sure for now. But it feels like it's helped. Slide her in. Get her threading. Alright, started. Grab the socket. I will go as far as I can by hand. It's getting a little hard. Bad boy in here. Alright, that's as tight as I can get it with this thing. You grab the little wire, put it on the end. I use these big tires as a little table. Get that started by hand. And this new one is a 7mm. Again, get it in there. There it is. Bing, bang, boom. Again, I just got a little ratchet, so I'm going hand tight. No, all right, full disclosure. Here's the one I pulled out. You'll notice this does not come apart. Here's, I don't fucking know what happened. Just poof. But I did find my AC Delco one I bought. These are the numbers on it. Come on, focus. So, yeah. That one went in just the same, but it didn't break. So, yeah. Give you the numbers here, I'll order it down below, or both, we'll see. And then, you just put your wheel liner back in. You're good to go. Oh, that's to clear the codes. I can't do that right now because my ODB port is not turning on my adapter. So that'll be a separate video that I will link down below. One more update here. I did not get my ODB port working, so I have not cleared my codes. Check engine light goes right here. I drove a few hundred miles, started the truck 6 or 7 times, and it went away. So that's really awesome. Yeah, don't have to clear the code to get rid of that check engine light. I'm sure the code's still there. But yeah, so get your gold plug swapped out and be happy. So this is Joey signing off. Keep doing new things because obviously you're gonna learn something. You might break something or fuck it up, but you'll still learn. So peace out.